MC Monday tip of the week. So when you join a motorcycle club, how do you learn what to do, what not to do? That's a great question. And that is where your club sponsor comes in. And I am not going to profess I know everything about all the clubs and how they work, but I will share with you some of my experiences, what I found works and works fairly well. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I appreciate you stopping by. I ask you to surf around, check out some of my other videos. If you like what you see, hey, give a brother some love. Hit me with a subscription. Check out some of my videos. If you like them, hit that thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by and checking this out. But today we are going to talk about MC Monday. So how was MC Monday born? Being in a Christian club, there's a lot of different aspects to learn about it. And one of those things is motorcycle club culture. So as we started getting going here in North Carolina, I started putting out this thing. Hey, it's MC Monday. We're going to throw a tip of the week out there. And I've been doing this for probably 4 or 5 years. So I kind of accumulated all those notes together. I got like 13 pages of MC Monday tips. So we're going to put those to use, and we're going to bring some Monday segments to y'all going probably now through winter time and after winter. Once spring hits and the season opens back up, we may stop until next year, maybe do another season out of it. But that's kind of the idea. Again, I don't profess to know everything. There are some other really wonderful, great resources out there. Black Dragon's a great resource. Sos the Ghost with Demon's Row is another great resource out there. There are some on both sides of the fence, both pro club and both anti-club. There's a ton of information out there on the internet. So I'm just providing my own little experience of what I have learned and sharing some of those things. And some of these MC Monday tips are really pretty darn fun. So I'm hoping to bring it to y'all on Mondays, MC Monday. So the first one, I know when you're watching this, it'll be Thursday. Yeah, I'm a few days late past the Monday, but Monday, this kind of idea kind of popped in my head when a guy asked me, hey man, can I get a copy of those tips? I'm like, well, no, but this is what I use for our crew, to train our crew, what to expect in club culture and give them tips for club culture so you can learn how to interact when you go out into the motorcycle club scene culture and how not to be a bonehead, how hopefully not to put your foot in your mouth. So that's what these tips are designed to do. So tip number 1 is coming from April 2nd, 2017, and it reads, MC Tip Monday Tip of the Day. Do not post pictures of patches you have not earned yet anywhere. This includes Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or wherever. You don't got it, you don't post it. You also don't post pics of other clubs' patches either. Not all clubs' patches want their patches to be shown to the public. Not all of them want pictures taken of their patches. And until you understand what clubs are okay with it and what clubs are not okay with it, the best rule of thumb is just don't do it. Kind of easy. Just don't do it. Now, if you take those pictures are for you and for private. I wouldn't really advise doing that either because some people just don't like their pictures getting taken, if you know what I'm saying. So if you are going to take pictures, make sure you have friends there that have okayed the fact that you're taking pictures and don't worry about you taking pictures. If that's the case, go ahead, take your pictures, but you know what to do with them by this point in time and what not to do with them by this point in time. So, for a rookie on the scene, he may not know that. He may be so excited he's going out taking pictures of everything and posting it everywhere. Now, if you are in a support club or support organization, that's probably fine to do. If you're in a neutral club, that's probably not fine to do. But also know that you're drawing lines in the sand probably at that point in time too. Each club is going to be different in how they operate, so it's just best to play it safe, especially patches you have not earned. You don't want to give the portrayal or the image that you are something that you are not yet, because with some clubs that could be a problem. That could be a big problem. So if you don't have it, don't post pictures of it. If you know it's club related items, it's just safest not to do that unless you support those clubs and the expectation is set and the expectation is cleared prior. Just rule of thumb for us is we don't post pictures of anything or anyone. I thank you, Yogi Clan, for stopping by and checking out this video. I kind of hope you enjoyed that tip. We're going to do more tips like this coming up every Monday for MC Monday. So stay tuned for episode 2. Episode 2, we're going to talk about prospect kits. My favorite topic. Peace.